Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a QQ account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, open up your Play Store or App Store. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, use the search function and just find QQ. Hit on search or find. Now go ahead and tap on install right here besides QQ. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, just tap on open. Now, as you can see here, it's pretty hard to understand if you don't know how to read and write in Chinese, okay? So what we're going to do is just basically tap on the blue button, okay? Just follow along, tap on the blue button, wait for it. Now tap on allow right here. And again, blue button. Now on this page, just go ahead and go to the bottom right, select this option. Now what we're going to do is just enter a phone number. But as you can see here, we cannot, or we don't know how to put our area code. So just tap on this drop down, okay? And we're going to find our area code. And as you can see, it's pretty hard to navigate, because what we'll do is just go ahead and open up our favorite browser. So for example, you're from India. So what we're going to do is just type down India in Chinese, okay? Hit on enter. So here we have the translation. So what we're going to do is just copy it, okay? Go back to the app, use the search bar, paste it, okay? And here we have the result. So just tap on it. Now just go ahead and type down your number, tick on this checkbox, tap on send, and you will receive a verification code to this number, okay? So what you do is just go ahead and enter that verification code right here. And once that, hit on continue once more. And in no time, you have your QQ account. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.